make me float, float. Boy, you really give me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope, dope. 'Cause you.
What's up, guys? It's your girl, that's Tamani, but it's Tamani. Welcome back to my channel. It's so hot, but right now I'm walking, as you can see. I want to get content for you guys because I haven't been recording, and I feel bad. I'm supposed to be going to the Metro North, and I have no idea where I'm going. I'm hoping I'm walking the right way. I don't think so. Where is it telling me to go? I have no idea, y'all.
You look cute.
Thank you, boo.
Lost.
Oh, shit. I was talking to the bitch. Now y'all niggas, what are y'all doing? No. Oh, I want to go get wet. It's a park there. The Metro. Yeah. What's up, y'all? I just got off of, what was that called? The Metro North. First time ever. It wasn't bad, though. It wasn't bad. I'm about to meet my photographer now. I'm using my tripod. This is such a better angle, bro. I need to get used to vlogging. You probably can't even fucking see me. There we go. Ah! Now we about to have mad fun. It's a push photo shoot, so let's have fun. This is the fit. Got my bag. And we outside, y'all. I hope I'm going the right way. I think I am, but I don't know. I'm dark as hell, though. Before I forget, if you haven't already, did those 3 things. 1, subscribe to your girl's channel because support is free. 2, like this video because your girl is a vibe. And 3, comment down below, talk to your girl because we're friends now. And there's nothing you can really do about it. I don't see the photographer. He told me he was coming downstairs. Oh, I guess this says 79 though. These houses is nice too. See? This one. I think right? I don't know where I'm going, y'all. I'm gonna get back to y'all when I figure it out. Bye. Yeah, hi. I just got here, but you didn't text me back, so. I said you didn't text me back. I told you I just got here and you didn't say nothing. Trying to get a thumbnail. Just so y'all can see my outfit a little bit. Thumbnail. I look good.
Oh, perfect. The one, okay, so I'm putting it down there.
Thank you.
In a second.
My hair got messed up a little. Oh yeah, that's nice. Thank you. It is hot. Oh, this view is so nice. This is very beautiful. Wait till I go to Puerto Rico. I'll make sure I get everything. up, y'all? It's your girl, That's So Money, but it's Tamani. Welcome back to your girl's channel. Y'all probably already heard me say that, but oh well. I wanted to fix my lips and talk a little bit because I don't feel like I do. I don't talk on my videos. So let's get right. Right now or before, y'all probably saw me walking. I probably recorded myself walking. But I just got to my shoot not too long ago. Well, we didn't start yet, but still. I just got here not too long ago. Lips looking busted. Sorry, I'm eyeballing y'all. I'm using the camera and not a mirror. So, give me a second. I hope that looks nice.
It's fire.
That's the photographer guy.
I seen Quavo and all of a sudden they patched that shit up.
Oh yeah, they showed out for Takeoff.
They supposed to.
Yup, they definitely did. Boom, now me bad picture. For real, for real. Alright, done with my hair. I low-key should have just brought a brush with me, but I didn't. I put my edge control, so I'll fix my edges, but my buns is looking crazy. Yeah. I don't know what I'm gonna talk about. I'm taking pictures in the pool. It's really hot outside. A bitch hope these pictures come out nice, because I don't know. I don't be taking pictures like that. Excuse me. Especially not no damn bathing suit. So I don't know. But we gonna see. And I'm going to work later, so y'all will have a vlog too. Or I should be going to work. Hopefully I go to work. I've been told that I'm supposed to go bowling too from my modeling agency, but I don't know. I'ma see. I got mad shit going on right now. But we gonna see. That's a little update. My hair look kinda great. The edit is about to be crazy. No funny shit. But yeah, I'ma holla at y'all. I just want to update. You probably think I'm weird. Sorry, y'all. And I'm using my tripod for the first time. For real. So this is a top.
Real niggas first, family over money, king green dreams, trap house jumping. Get my paper right, I can tell me nothing. Grind all winter, fucking up the summer. Big time, even though you learn, tell me that you learn. My pain right, I didn't get more home. I'm in that sleep, can't stop, don't stop. Y'all can have on Instagram, it's Lele_Dice22. Nigga got him switch the house like nigga thought I was in a whip until I smiled and see it. 22.
Everybody on social channel.
Yeah, before I fucked on the beat, I had to.
What's up, man? Oh, hey. That's what this song made me feel like doing. Trumping. I don't know why. What? This is my new friend. Period. Bad bitches.
Yeah, look. Yeah, bad. What's this
Oh,
best song
look at
called?
her.
You're my TV show with them.
We're not gonna show the nails. This is not. Well, we're not having our photo shoot yet. You taking photos too? Why? You should. Why not?
Yeah, we can. I want to get in the pool though, because I know it's going to be hot. It's hot as fuck out
Yeah,
there.
I'm getting in the pool too. I have
I got my
bathing
bathing
suit.
suit. My bathing suit's cute as fuck. Just like, I'm
Period.
gonna show you.
Be outside, get in tune, and don't fucking forget it. No, they probably like, what is this much talking about? Nah, y'all, I just be in my own world for real. I don't want y'all to feel no type of way. I'm having fun living my life, and this is it. Join me. So, I don't know if I'm gonna make it to work Just for the simple fact that. Ooh, that is really pretty. Yes,
I got
no.
gorgeous shelf sheet.
That's really.
And I didn't know it was a base, so I was just doing it for a photo shoot.
That is fire.
Yeah, I got
It's like
five.
casual. It's like metallic, y'all. This is fire. And her hair is like a pop of color. This is nice. She said she got into Shein. Get into. Oh, okay, sorry, y'all. I was getting sidetracked. Yeah, to go to work tonight. Today's Monday. Monday, Juneteenth. I was trying to go to work tonight. There's no house fee, nothing, so I was gonna go. But the way this photo shoot is looking, it looks like it's about to be a one-night thing, so I don't know. It's still late, like it's about to be 6, and I still haven't started. He told me I could change here. I was gonna put the top, so I got the bottom on. This is why my bathing suit is looking like. I got 2 though. Is this one? Take pictures like this first, because this top is mad cute, and I don't know if I'm gonna wear it again. So I was like, I'm gonna put this top on, it's giving beach vibes, and then I'll change.
younger?
No, they're in the brown color. And then put this one on.
I'm listening to you. I got this one here.
Where you from? Ooh, Michigan. Detroit? My
Yeah, like
favorite singer.
Detroit. Well, I live an hour from Detroit. I used to go to Detroit to party a lot.
My favorite singer is from Michigan. If you know who my favorite singer is, comment down below. It's Queen Aisha. I love Queen Aisha.
I don't like her like that.
Really? Why?
It's not that good to me.
Really? Maybe it's because, and then maybe because I followed her like for so fucking long. Like, since she was
So
on
I
Red
think she's like, she's
House.
pretty, but she's not all that. Like, I don't know. I never really liked her music like that. I fuck with Gorilla though. Gorilla my favorite artist. Gorilla.
Glorilla. Yeah. You know I didn't know her name was Glorilla?
Yeah, I've been taking Gorilla this whole time.
Because her name was Gloria. I didn't even know
Her
that.
name Hallelujah.
Or should I take a picture in this verse? Take a picture in this verse with you. I'm over here trying to practice. Or should I just put this on? I don't know. I wish my moves looked like this. That's nice. Nice. I like these suns and everything. Wow.
I think it's some more tattoos, y'all. Yes. I really think it's more tattoos. Like this one. This one didn't really hurt. It hurt like right here. I feel the base part though. The fucking what's this shit called? The red to the tail? No, what's this shit called? The dragon. The reason I was fucking open that shit.
It's from like China, right? The Chinese dragon.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fire. She got a face tat. I got 0 tattoos. Look at that.
Yeah.
Fuck it
Every time I
up.
go to work, like, oh my gosh, is that real? Is that real? Like,
Now the people get fake tattoos now.
yeah, I'm like, who the fuck gets fake tattoos?
Yeah, people get fake tattoos now. I'm trying to contemplate if I should switch or not. But I low-key want to because they're not doing this. I want my boobs to sit. Sorry, they probably won't give me a yellow rating for that.
That's why I can't do the YouTube because I was telling people like to do
I do. I'm a stripper vlog. I'm a dancer.
I want to answer.
Yeah. I try not to.
Like, I'm trying to, he like, go. That can't really like.
You gotta, hold on now. Okay, y'all. This is what's about to happen. I'm about to. I think I'm gonna stay with this top instead of changing into this top. I'm gonna change to this top when I'm finished taking a picture in this one. At least one picture. I think that's what I want. One picture. Or you can stop it if you want to look at yourself. Talk shit.
I got some in my bag if you want something. I ain't bring mine. Okay, y'all. So she's in the photo shoot, y'all. Period. Get to it. Girl, so what? Yes. Okay, y'all. Hey, my friend's doing a photo shoot. Y'all, period. She looking fine as fuck. Period. Get into it.
Look, bitches, we made it back.
Something many things in life.
bananas. These little steps though. Is yeah, maybe. I think so, yes. Change your shoes now. Look at it. It's looking nasty. It's looking muddy like where they are set. I'm in the river.